Hello, in this video, we will introduce operator overloading and special methods. You can use the plus operator to concatenate two strings, the less than operator to test if string S1 is less than S2, use the index operator to obtain the character in the string. So here we have these two strings S1 and S2. Those are the operators on string. You can also use the same operators on the lists to get the elements in the list, to combine two lists, to compare two lists. These operators are actually methods defined in the string class and in the list class. Defining methods for operators is called operator overloading. Operator overloading allows the programmer to use the built-in operators for user-defined methods. So here's the table. The table lists the operators and the corresponding methods for add. So this is the operator add. The method is add with underscores before add and after add. So this is the name of the method. So this is multiply, this is subtract. There are many more. Now, come back here now. You can use the method for replacing the operators. So look here, I have this add S1 dot add S2, S1 dot less than S2, S1 dot get item. So get item is the index operator. Now, of course, look, which operators are better, more intuitive? The using operators rather than using the methods. So the methods you had to write like this, and the operators, it's much simpler. So that's the advantage of using the operators, and that's why Python provides the operators in to replace the other functions. So you can use either functions or operators, but using operators are better. So here looks at this, the operator in, this is the, so look at this character W is in the string S1. You can use S1 dot contains W. So this operator, and if you define this method in your class, you can use this operator in. So also we have the len. So this is the length. You can write it as this, len S1 rather than S1 dot len. So we will give examples in the next video to use all these operators. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.